Math is a wonderful thing. Math is a really cool thing. So get off your ass, let's do some math. Math, 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 math.
Hey there, Algebra 2. This is going to be just one example of how to multiply rational expressions. Okay, I'm going to do an example of multiplying in this video, and then another video will be division. Okay, so how do we start off? They also want us to state the domain, and we'll do that at the end. So we're multiplying here, right? So let's multiply across. We have, this is just x squared minus 4. I'm not actually multiplying. I'm not actually going to FOIL that out because then I can't do what I'm about to do. So I'm just going to write stuff all as one fraction. So it's all in one place for us. Okay, and I hope that you recognize x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 1 as a special type of factoring problem. Those are a difference of two squares. Okay, and remember, difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. Well, that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. All right, so what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and factor what we can factor. That x plus 1 and x plus 2 are not going to change. Okay, but x squared minus 4, that's x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus 2. And then we still have that x plus 1 that didn't change, right? And then in my denominator, I have, let's see, x squared minus 1, well, that turns into x plus 1 times x minus 1. And then what's left? X plus 2. All right. Now everything's getting multiplied. Everything looks nice and pretty. Let's start seeing what can cancel out, because they can. Things can't cancel out here. Has to be the exact same on the top and the bottom. X plus 2 is gone. X plus 1 is gone. Okay, but before we get carried away and writing out our answer, let's talk about this domain, because really all we have left is x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Do not forget about the domain. Okay, so my domain, remember, I can never divide by 0, so I take everything that's in the denominator. So x plus 1, set that equal to 0. X minus 1, set that equal to 0. X plus 2, set that equal to 0. Whatever we get here, we figure out what x cannot be, right? Because I can't have these things equaling to 0. So x is equal to -1, +1, and -2. All right, those are my three domain restrictions. And now here's my final answer. I'm gonna rewrite. I just can't have all this X and out stuff. Like it's just messy. So to write it neatly, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, and x cannot equal. It doesn't really matter the order in which you write these. -2, -1, or 1. I just like to go least to greatest on that. Okay, so if factoring is something that you struggle with, you're going to need to go back and watch another video on factoring. I don't think I made it. I made some for Algebra 1. If you want that, I can get you guys that link. It's on my YouTube channel. Also, Khan Academy has 1,000 videos on literally anything, including this stuff. So if this doesn't make sense, go watch their video. I used the exact same example, but he might explain it differently to where you understand it better.